Hello, welcome back. I think everybody heard about the Flux, the new generate of the AI image generator. Better than Midjourney, Stable Diffusion 3. Is that real? And can we use it for free? Today, let's dig in more information about the Flux. Okay, here we go. So the Flux is founded by the team that helped develop the original Stable Diffusion, and the Flux is largest open source text-to-image model to the date, and also it's totally free. So it is like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, but it's totally free. You can use it for your work, for your personal projects, anywhere, and it's able to deploy on your personal computer, but it required high performance of the computer. So we visit the website of this team that previously helped to build up the Stable Diffusion. It's called Black Forest Labs, and this website is pretty cool. You can visit blackforestlab.ai, and you will get this website. It's pretty amazing, and it already showcased some images that are generated by Flux. And check out the quality of this beautiful television, and the detailed is quite amazing, and it's able to type the text, which is impossible for Stable Diffusion and Midjourney now. They cannot write down any text correctly, right? So, and also check out the hand performance, because human's hand always be a problem for any AI generators. And this old man is really convincing, the details and the hair, the hand, the five fingers, the length of the five fingers correct, and it's really can fool people. If you showing the picture of this gentleman, I will believe this is a real human being, and not only the portrait, but the like the cartoon, like the different style, like the future style is all able to create. That's amazing, and the detailed, the very detailed of the human is easy to create in Flux. I want to create some of that. Give me that. Okay, so if you are really pumped up to try out the Flux, you can click Get Flux. But it's like what I said before, it required high performance of your personal computer, which is really hard because it requires money, right, to improve our computer performance. But no worries, if you are already have a very good computer, you can try to download from here. But if you like me, you don't want to spend money on the computer, there's a way to use Flux on the ordinary computers. Okay, so today I get a very excited letter from the Paul team, and we can run Flux on Paul. Quite amazing. We have three links. Let's open one by another. Oh, by the way, I will leave all the address below this video, so please don't forget to check it out. So the three different links are: first one is Pro. This have a high performance, and I believe the quality, the pixels of the images will be very high. And second one is Devil mode, and third one is ordinary one. Okay, we have three links opened, and for the Pro, let's write down some prompt to text. So I already write down a prompt saying a girl in cyberpunk age with a name card writing UX Bootcamp. I want to test if this can performance very good human's hand, and I add the this in the end aspect, and I change the value, so I will get the ratio of the image that I wanted. So click the enter. Oh no, so the Pro requires us to pay. No worries, let's try demo mode. Yes, we can use it for free. So it's generating image. So meanwhile, let me try the third one. Okay. Wow, it's all down. So this details of this girl, this image is quite good, I think. And the facial expression and the text are correct. Wow, nice. So if you are willing to use Flux for free for a trial, for give it a try, or for your work, you can use it on Pro. And the third link, wow, it's nice. It's also very nice. I think this is the fastest. This is have a best speed, better than the demo mode, but the Pro, which is unable to use for now if you don't want to pay. I think the demo mode is a good choice, and you can also try this one. And we can download from here, or we can make tweaks or enhance this image in other software maybe. Okay, so much for today. This is how you use Flux for free, and I hope you like this video. So I will see you on next one. Bye bye.